Welcome. Welcome to episode 1 of whatever the fuck we're calling this show. Today we're making caramel macchiato.
I feel like caramel macchiato. I feel like a lot of people don't know how to make that.
Yeah, we're going to do some homemade caramel macchiatos. Okay, so here's the deal, children. When you're ordering your caramel macchiato, the macchiato is to be a little less sweet than your other beverages.
I want that.
All right, so we're going to work out a few kinks. We'll be right back. And we're back. I don't even know what camera I'm talking to. So I'm just going to stand this way and talk through the microwave and just get caught by both cameras. Who is producing this show? I need a bigger budget for this shit. God damn it.
We're not going to get into why, but we're just going to do 3 pumps of vanilla.
Yes.
And, well, I have sugar-free. Sugar-free is my vanilla of choice.
So what?
1, 2, ooh, 3. That's what we're doing? 3.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it coming up like that?
It's like a really bad mood.
Would you like to explain what we're going to do next?
Yes, so next we're going to put our milk in because macchiato means to mark the milk. So you put your milk in first and your shot on top. So we're going to be using almond milk today.
Almond breeze.
Mm-hmm.
It's my choice. So we're going to pour it in up until about, what do you think, here?
Right here.
Yeah. There we go. Get right in there. That's a lot of milk.
Milk.
Now we're going to get the espresso shots out of the espresso machine. Did I? Oh.
Yeah. How about we hit the right button?
Hit the right button. Jason with the fingernails coming through. We're going to get 2 shots of espresso. Why, Jason?
Yes, if you ever wonder why the Starbucks baristas are yelling, it's because of this. But 2 shots of espresso to make the balance. The espresso is concentrated and double strength, which is a lot stronger than your normal cup of coffee. So you need 2 shots to balance out the amount of milk and syrup.
Yeah.
What he said.
Ooh.
I mean, look at the body form, the crema.
It looks luscious.
The crema's developing very well. The heart is sinking to the bottom.
Oh, and then right before the shots die, you pour it right on the top. Right. Ooh, look at it go. Jason, would you like to tell our viewers what roast we are drinking today?
This is the Starbucks 2016 Vintage Christmas Roast. That comes out once a year.
Red hair.
Is this making my cheeks big?
Maybe. Okay, now we're going to put on our, what the fuck is this? Oh, caramel syrup. I use this, the Torani. You can get it on Amazon. It came in a 3-pack with chocolate and white chocolate. Ooh. And now we're going to drizzle it.
And you see the white chocolate's almost empty.
Now we're going to drizzle it in the hatch method. Jason, would you like to show the hatch method? Oh, Jesus.
5 up, 5 across, and a circle.
Is that, are we going to be able to fit tops on these? I should have got somebody with smaller hands to do this. But don't they look delicious?
Becky, I need a grande flatland.
Now! The customers are waiting. Now you can top them off. And oh, fuck.
It'll fit. Just push it.
That's what they all say.
Force it in there.
That's what they all say. Lies. Oh,
Right.
Very
They're all lies until. And 32 minutes later, we actually got caramel Macchiato.
From our home to yours. Did we actually tell them all the instructions to this?
I hope so.
Did we forget anything?
No.
Oh.
Vanilla, syrup, shots. It's actually really good.
Yeah. You wouldn't even believe there was almond milk in here. Because the one they use at Starbucks is disgusting.